Hello, JB. Have you ever been woken up in the morning by this sound? I have never seen this bird. Does it exist? Can it fly? Can I make double boiled soup from it? Join me, Hossan Leong, as I go in search of the Ooo-Ooo bird. It's so hot nowadays. I really don't feel like moving, man. There it is again. Where's the sound coming from? Over there! I think the Ooo-Ooo bird is somewhere around here. Where are we? Jalan Dobi? It's so hot, I need a drink. Ice cream! Come on, let's go! So here we are at Sangkaya, and I have Suhaidi here with me. He's going to tell us what he's going to make for us today.
Okay, we're gonna make our best seller here. It's signature coconut ice creams.
I can't wait to try it. Rumba! Eva! Rumba! Eva! And so there we have it. We have got our signature coconut ice cream, right? But Heidi, what are all these?
It's toppings. So we got roasted peanuts, coconut flakes, Nestum cereal, corn flakes, sweet corn, kidney beans, and also chocolate sauce.
That's a complete breakfast. Eva! Rumba! Eva! Whew. After that, you know what? I am nuts about coconuts as well. Another ice cream shop. Rumba! I can't wait to try this. Let it go. Let it go. Thank you. So, but Helmi, why do you pour liquid nitrogen into it?
To keep it fresh, of course, and also it's kind of a unique method, right?
And so here we are, the ice cream project. I'm going to try this amazing ice cream with liquid nitrogen in my forklift. Sedap. It is such a great day to have ice cream. I had 2 already, but they say good things come in 3s. Alright, so here we are in Koon, where they've got one of JB's best soft serve ice cream. I got Dira here with me. She's going to tell me what their best selling flavor is, okay?
So our best seller is Nano Yogurt and Hokkaido Matcha.
Hokkaido Matcha. I can't wait to try that. Alright, Dira, over to you. Whoa, here we are. Hokkaido Matcha. Lovely green tea flavors. You know, why do we eat ice cream? Benefits of ice cream: bone strengthening calcium, phosphorus, potassium, B vitamins, but most importantly, it makes us happy. Oh, what a wonderful day! 3 ice creams in a row! But I still haven't found my Ooo-Ooo bird. There it is. Where? Rumba!